The first part of the assignment from CK12 is going to be on what we did before, pure substance, elements, and compounds. At the end of class today, we will be talking about mixtures. I hope that you will have time to have started on the 4 sections on mixtures. So the first 3 parts of the assignment, if you remember, I asked that when you go to CK12, I'm sorry, I need to do that. To remember in your notes to include the title and a main idea or 2 from the reading you do. If you watch a video, the main idea could be the main idea from the videos, and then the review questions at the bottom. There's also the view practice link at the bottom of the page when you go to the site. Be sure you click the view practice and complete those problems. Okay. You remember how we did that before? Are there any questions? All the links are found on Google Classroom. I know you're anxious and want to get your quiz out of the way. I'll give you this option. Do you want to do your quiz right away and get it done? Or do you want to actually start and do the pure substance 3 sections before you take the quiz?
Pure substance.
You want to do pure substance first?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. I will give you about 25 minutes to work on that, and then we'll take the quiz so that you have enough time. Then we'll go back to working with CK12. At the final 30 minutes, we'll be taking some notes like we did with pure substances, but our focus will be on mixtures. All right, get your Chromebook.
When we do the mixtures, and we just start notes like before, and then make sure to write key things, and then when we go and we get to take the test, can I use our notes?
No notes on the
Okay,
quiz.
okay.
Click on classwork. And if you'll do them in order, click on pure substance. And you'll see a reminder of what I want you to make sure is in your notes.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Just a reminder, while you are working at CK12, you have the ability over here, you see the 2 toolbars at the little toolbar section over on the right. If you wish to highlight, you are able to take notes and you are able to highlight. So if I'm saying, these are good examples right here, I want to make a note. I want to say lemonade is a good example of a mixture. Or I could write that and say, these are examples. So when you return to the site, you will find your notes there, because you are logging in through your Google account. One last reminder while you're working, I have a thank you to 6 people who have started their lab report as a Google Doc. I'm sure more of you have started it, but you want to make sure maybe while you're working at this work session to link it to the turn-in site on Google Classroom if you've started it as a separate Google Doc. But I have successfully seen Maya, Ian, Luca, Shantavia, Vincent, and Tina link theirs. So I hope the rest of you get a chance to do that. Remember, the turn-in date will be on Friday. Thank you. You need to stop. We want to make sure you have plenty of time for the quiz, but before we do, I thought we would take a look at the pure substance material. So I have an anonymous student that has reached 78% of their goal for answering, does that say 8?
That's a 7.
11. That's 7 out of 11. You can't see the little number. It's 11 total questions in that practice session, and they have 7 correct so far. You see that there's easy, medium, and hard questions. One of the questions that most of you saw, which is not a substance. And you know what? Substance usually implies pure substance, and the adjective gets lost. I'm probably going to say pure substance, and the reading is not going to usually use the adjective. So we have methanol as a compound and milk as a mixture. A true false are usually hard. Another, which is not a substance. Be careful when you're reading to pick up on it, but the list has not. And is there any questions about these? These are pretty much the same ones you have, although you may have had a different order. Any questions? All right, put your notes aside, close your, you don't have to close it so you have to log back in, but you can just lower it and we